Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar rose 0.3% against the yen in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil rise 0.6% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices inched higher on expected demand recovery in China as it relaxed tough COVID curbs and doubts a higher output target by OPEC Plus producers would ease tight supply. Brent crude futures were up 19 cents. The US dollar index retreated from earlier highs and fell as US equities shook off an early risk-off mood and turned positive. But the greenback managed to hit its highest level in 20 years against the Japanese yen. Meltdowns in the cryptocurrency space are common, but the latest one really touched some nerves. Novice investors took to online forums to share tales of decimated fortunes and even suicidal despair.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's RICS housing price balance will be released at 23 hours and 1 minute GMT. The UK's 10Y bond auction at 0930 GMT. Japan's EcoWatchers survey outlook at 0500 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 hours GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 1430 GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction at 0930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.